4-disc ridger. Disc ridger is a secondary tillage implement. It is used for making ridges for row crops such as sugarcane, potato, chilies, banana, etc., as well as for opening furrows for water flow. The ridger should only be used after tilling the area once or twice and only when the soil is somewhat moist. 4-disc ridger installation. To install the 4-disc ridger at customer end, we need to perform below major tasks. Complete implement assembly, implement attachment with tractor, settings and adjustments, field operation, inspection and maintenance. In this video, we will understand how to adjust ridge width. There are 8 number loose parts come with 4-disc ridger. To assemble the 4-disc ridger completely, we need to assemble all these parts correctly. Loose the U-clamp to adjust the width of the ridger. Adjust the width of the ridge by pushing it inwards and tight the bolts with 30 mm spanner. Taut it in 410 Nm. Ensure the equidistance of the ridges from the main frame. Loose the U-clamp to adjust the width of the ridger. The width of the ridge by pushing it outwards and tight the 30 mm spanner. Taut it in 410 Nm. Ensure the equidistance of the ridges from the main frame. We hope this information will be useful for you. To get more information or for service support, contact your nearest Mahindra dealership. Our Mahindra officials are always ready to provide you service support. For information about other problems, you can watch our other videos. To watch more DIY videos, kindly subscribe our Mahindra Farm Machinery YouTube channel.